Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a logo out of an image. I have a picture of this guy here pointing at me, judging me by pointing at me. You're a stupid idiot. And now there's an earthquake happening to him for his punishment, divine retribution. All you need to do now is click on edit image and make sure to find duotone. If you can find it, you can always search it up. Okay, it's actually down here. Click on duotone. Now open, and then what duotone does is that you have dual pictures, dual colors actually, and you can just set the highlights and the shadows to black or white. Just as you can see, now we have the pictures in all white. Now you can just add some stuff, different stuff, like you, and now it looks like a logo. That's it. That's how you can create a logo out of a picture in Canva. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye.